This is a beach wave tutorial for long hair. And twirl. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Victoria.
And I'm Kylie, and we're just a couple of moms changing our lives one habit at a time. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you share this video with your friends.
This month, for our 30-day challenge, we're going to be doing a Get Ready Everyday Challenge. And this month it'll be filled with lots of things that will make your life easier getting ready, or just different things you can try to help spruce up your routine.
There's been tons of studies on it about how even if you work from home, to get dressed so that you can
perform better.
Yeah.
They say dress for the job you want, not the job you have. I also was reading tips of highly successful people, and one of them was be well groomed, because you never know who you'll come in contact with or what opportunities will be presented to you. So you want to make sure that you look how you would want to look if you were presented with a good opportunity or meeting someone who's a big deal.
Getting ready every day doesn't mean you have to
look like you're going to the club, look like you're going to the club, look like you're going to the club.
We're not going to pop our booties. You want to feel like if somebody knocked on your door, that you can open your door and feel comfortable in what you're wearing.
So could I wear a cute matching sweat outfit as long as my hair and makeup are done and I'm like put together? I'm still comfortable but put together?
Yeah, okay. But not like the sweats that you hate.
Grungy.
Yeah.
Okay. I can do that. I can work with that. And I think you can kind of dress anything up. Like as long as your hair and makeup look good, you can make a more casual outfit look fancier.
Yeah, so you don't have to get uncomfortable to make this challenge successful, but do something that's just going to make you feel good about yourself.
Okay, so today I am going to be doing a tutorial on how to get beach waves for long hair.
Let's get into this.
I'm going to show you how I do my beach waves. So this is a beach wave tutorial for long hair. So how I start is I first start with a little bit of hair oil. I use Unite hair oil. You can use whatever you like. My hair is pretty coarse and thick, so it can handle a good amount of oil. So if you know your hair can't handle oil, or you don't like how it styles with oil in it, then don't use it. But my hair just eats it up. I don't layer it or anything. I'm just going to start with my front pieces. It's a long curling iron. I believe it's 1.5 inches. So with my front pieces, I just grab a good chunk, pull it forward, and then do twist, drop, twist, drop, pull. So it leaves the end a little straighter. And then I like to comb through it right after, because I don't like the ones around my face super tight, but I will just do both of the fronts, beginning forward, twist, drop, twist, drop, pull the end straight. Okay, so there are my two little front pieces, and then I work from this side back, this side back.
Alright, let's get twisting. So I'm going to grab the middle of the strand of hair with the curling iron, twirl it up, hold it for a second. I'm going to drop the top part and then loosen the clamp as I kind of roll the rest back up. And then I'm going to drop it, and then as I'm twirling the curling iron down, it's kind of twisting the entire strand into a dreadlock. Then I pull the end straight. So there we go again, roll it up, hold it, drop it, and then get the bottom and then twirl it, twirl it, twirl it, pull the end straight. So here you can see I'm still twirly, twirly, twirling, twirly, twirly, twirling, twirl it up, and twirl it down. And so you're just going to make sure you want to get real good spins.
Okay, and if it's too complicated how I start in the middle, roll up, and then go down, you can do it this way as well, and it looks just as good. So this is inspired by how my hair girl does my hair when I go to the salon, but I can't register in my head how she does it because she is just so fancy with the curling iron. So this is an easier way. So you can start more towards the end of your hair, roll it up, hold it there for a few seconds, and then just twist it as you come down. And obviously the more you twist it, the more wavy it's going to be. And then I just kind of like gently release the end, and then I kind of pull it straight so that the end straightens out a bit. I'll show you that again. The curling iron, start at the bottom, roll it up, wait, and then twirl it down. I call these waves, or these curls, extra curly curls, because you just twirl a lot. I'm doing them all away from my face. When my hair girl does them, once she gets to the ear, she starts alternating, doing some curls forward and some curls back, which looks really good, but I find if I'm trying to wear my hair like this several days in a row, it's easier to have all my curls going backwards so that when I retouch them up, I'm not having to guess which way my curl is going, because you know, if you've ever over curled a piece of hair, sometimes it just goes straight. So that's what I like to do it that way, just because I feel like it can last longer.
So the easy way, start at the bottom, twirl it up, twirl it back down. So just make sure you get in some really good spins as you come down and get that same dreadlock look that you got before.
And twirl, and twirl, and twirl.
Now the fun part, we get to brush it out with our fingers and just really fluff it out, separate all those little dreadlocks, and reveal the waves.
I like to get a little bit of texturizing spray. I use Kevin Murphy Bedroom Hair.
And to top it off, I use Kevin Murphy dry powder because I like the way dry powder makes my curls feel.
And lots of texture, makes it look nice and beachy. There you have it. Some beach waves.
Ooh, oh, that's nice. Look at them beach waves. Oh yeah. Oh, yep. Oh, that's it. Oh, that's it. Yep, riding the wave.
Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Let me know if you try it and if it works on your hair. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, turn on your post notifications, and tell your friends about us, because we're fun and this month is going to be awesome. Lots of good material and stuff you can do at home to look frickety fresh, because we know all your beauticians are closed right now.
Victoria is a pro. Her hair is freaking gorgeous, mermaid status.
And it is easier to do on long hair, but we will be doing a tutorial on how to attempt beach curls on short hair.
Yes, so make sure you stay tuned for our video in a few days, because we are going to do a short hair version of the beachy waves that Victoria just showed you. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye!